Welcome to the new weekly analysis with Harmonic scanner. It is a scanner that shows you when there is a pattern formant on the chart with a potential entry level, stop loss and take profit 1 and 2 levels. In this week I would like to mention first of all how this week has been doing, where I am sharing inside the gold membership with the traders what is the current status about the Harmonic scanner, if there is any pattern that has been formed on the chart ready for trading after the analysis has been made. In this week I have made several analyses, and this week I need to say it was a not very good one. First of all, the week has started with the first take profit reached and the stop loss moved down. So we have this pair reached the first take profit, we can see that here, and then the price returned back up. So the stop loss was moved below the entry level, so this trade has been closed with a small profit and not loss. But after that we had 3 analyses made this week, and each of them the price has reached the stop loss. So I will not get into details, but I can say that this week was not very good one with a small profit starting of the week. The week has closed with the 3 of these bad pattern has been failed. So we have 1 successful with a small profit and we have 3 failed. So this week was not a very good one. Now what I can say about this, what could happen? Now first of all, this one was also one of these patterns that has been formed, and we can also make the analysis what could happen, what was wrong. The technical analysis was showing that the price was moving in the downtrend, which is very good one. And then after that, the technical levels that have been made here was also a very good one, where we can see that this first take profit and second take profit was here. The entry level should be right here. This is a mistake I have made, what I can see right now, and the stop loss should not be right here, it should be above this area of resistance, and especially this one right here. It will be pretty wide, this area of stop loss, but we'll see what happens in the future. I will watch closely. Will this be a bearish bad pattern successful if I have moved this one like this to be in line with the technical analysis? So first of all, we cannot make 100% correct analysis, and we cannot be 100% sure each time. So there is also a bad trades and also there are good trades. If you take a look in the previous week analysis, we had several of them successful one, and this week if you have followed the risk management, which is very important, so if you have put 1% as a stop loss on these patterns, this means we had 3% of loss and a small profit. So we can say we can round this to the 3% of loss. But in the previous week we had 3 or 4 of them successful, which means we had around 6 or 9% of profit, because each of these patterns has 3.68 risk reward ratio, which means 1% loss and 3.6% of profit. So if we take a look in the last 2 weeks, we are in profit around 6 or 9%, depending how much you have used as a percentage calculation. So let's move forward. We do not need to stop. There is also a new week with trading opportunities. We cannot be 100% correct, and we cannot be successful completely each week, but at the end of the month it's very important to be in a profit. So let's see. First of all, the chart here shows you a floating window where you have potential reversal zone. You have the entry level, target 1 and target 2. These are the green lines. The entry level is a blue line and the stop loss is a red line. So you can see this Harmonic scanner shows you when there is a pattern formed on the chart. And if you take a look here, let's reload this page. You'll see what patterns the Harmonic scanner has detected on the current symbol chart with the current time frame. So I have GBP against US dollar on the 4-hour time frame. You'll see that here. You can see 240. It is this is 4-hour time frame, GBP USD as a symbol, and we can see that the Harmonic scanner has detected several of these patterns. We can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 patterns. 3 of them are bad patterns. We have a Gartley and a deep crab. So if you would like to show only one of them, simply click on it and you will see how the price is showing. Now let's see the second one, bad pattern, and this one also. So you can see how the price is showing you what is the potential reversal zone, what is the area of a stop loss, what is take profit 1 and take profit 2. So we can see several of these patterns are showing that this could be a potential reversal zone, suggesting further decline in value. And we can see this is also second one, a bearish bad pattern, suggesting very close, as I have mentioned right now, where the potential reversal zone could be right here also, and the stop loss should be above this area of resistance. So we'll see how the price will behave based on this one. I will watch closely for the GBP USD on the 4-hour time frame, this one that has been formed with the potential reversal zone here, and also stop loss right here. Now inside the monitor, just to give you a short introduction, what is a monitor? Monitor is a window where you can make a statistics for some kind of analysis. Here below, inside this table, you have a symbols. You have a bullish or bearish. Green is for the bullish, red is for the bearish. You have a pattern that has been formed. You have a time frame on which the pattern has been formed. You have a status. Failed means that it is already reached a stop loss, so you cannot trade anymore. A complete is the one that you can trade, where the price did not reach a stop loss and did not reach take profit 2. And you have a successful one where the price has already reached the take profit 2. So you have three of them, three different statuses here where you can also make the analysis. Then you have a date when this pattern has been formed, and a very important reward to risk ratio, where you can see is it good to trade or not. Now inside the settings, you can also select which kind of filters you would like to include. You can see that I have included filters for the 4-hour time frame and the daily time frame. So inside this table here, I can have only the daily and the 4-hour time frame patterns that has been formed on the, just a minute, on the bad pattern, and also you can see on the symbols I have defined right here inside the security. So the security here allows you to define which symbols you would like to have below inside this table. So whenever the Harmonic SEP scanner has detected bad pattern, because I have selected here bad pattern, but you can select more of them. For example, let's select Cypher. You can see it is populated immediately right here. Whatever you have selected as a pattern, the Harmonic SEP scanner will detect that pattern on these symbols. If you would like to include more of these symbols, simply activate them, and they will be populated right here. If you do not want to have them, simply deselect this one. You can also select one by one if you would like to have them below listed inside this table. So when there is a pattern detected by the Harmonic SEP scanner on this symbol, on this pattern, on this time frame, it will be listed right here, so you can see what is the current status of that pattern. Well, next one is notification, where you can also make the settings, the filter. I also have selected the same filters for the bad pattern, for the 4-hour time frame and the daily, and I have added Forex major, Forex minor, and all of these symbols right here. If you would like to add more of them, you can simply add a new symbol right here. You can also add crypto symbol if you would like. Then, after the Harmonic SEP scanner has detected that pattern with those filters, it will be populated right here. You can see it is symbol, you can see it is a bearish or bullish, you can see which pattern, and you can see which time frame. This is the entry level, this is the take profit 2 level, and this is the stop loss, and this is the risk to reward ratio, and this is the time when this pattern has been detected. So when you click on this one, for example, let's click on this one, it will be immediately open on the chart where you can see all the details, so you can also make the analysis. So GBP USD, this notification has been sent to me over the Telegram, and you can see here, just a minute, I need to open it. GBP USD, we can see that here. So you get notification where the entry level is listed, and also you get a link with the notification. So when you click on this notification, you will immediately open the chart here like this. It is the same like you have clicked this line here. So you can also make the analysis to check is this bad pattern in line with the technical analysis, and it is ready for trading. So if you would like to receive this notification on Telegram, there is a Telegram bot that you can also set up. So you can see Harmonic SEP scanner is a pretty useful tool. It gives you an idea when there is a potential target formed on the chart, and you can make the analysis just to confirm that. You can also use the technical analysis, for example using indicators or any other thing that you are using in your analysis, just to confirm is this, for example, this bearish bad pattern has been potentially tradable or not. If your analysis shows you there are several signals pointing that the price could reach this area of resistance, then return back down or reaching take profit 1, take profit 2, this will be in line with your technical analysis and your other analysis, which means you can start trading this one. So it is up to you to define when the price will be ready to open the trade, and also what the stop loss and take profit levels. Use the Harmonic scanner as a tool to help you to define where are those levels, when there is a potential tradable signal and trade, and also be aware that we cannot be always successful. Harmonic scanner is just a tool that points you and shows you there is a potential tradable symbol and also pattern, and this is up to you to make the analysis to confirm is it okay or not. This week you can see we had 3 failed patterns, even though I have made a technical analysis. In the previous week before that, we had 3 of them successful. So sometimes we are on a good track, sometimes we are on a bad track. So it depends also on the market. The market also changes, shifts, and also do not follow what the Harmonic scanner detects, and also sometimes the market do not follow the analysis. That is also normal, and we need to adapt to that. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and also be aware to join the Gold membership, where we can discuss here inside the Telegram with more details how this pattern it looks, and also is there any questions, feel free to leave a comment so we can discuss. If you have any pattern you would like to discuss, feel free to join here inside the Gold membership so you can ask and you have direct access to me so we can discuss together. That's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.